Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your bank account to your Wise account. First, open the Wise app or visit the Wise website and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, select the Add Money option. Next, choose the currency balance you want to top up and enter the amount you would like to transfer. After that, pick your preferred payment method. You may see options like bank transfer, debit card, or credit card, depending on your location. Bank transfers are usually the cheapest option, so they are a great choice if you want to save on fees. Once you select bank transfer, Wise will display the payment instructions. Read the information carefully and follow the on-screen steps to authorize the transfer from your bank account. Some banks may ask you to confirm the payment through their mobile app or online banking service. After the payment is approved, Wise will begin processing the transfer. The time it takes for the money to arrive depends on your bank and the payment method you selected. You can check the status of your transfer directly in your Wise account until the funds appear in your chosen balance. Thanks for watching.